Okay, doing this Leetcode for the first time. Here's the easiest first problem. What it is called twosum. Given an array of integers, uh, return the indices of the two numbers such that add up to a specific target. Assume that each input would have exactly one solution. So that's what we're assuming. So like here are your numbers, and the target's 9. So you want to return what two numbers in here sum up to 9. So it'd be the first two. Yeah, so solution, it probably took me 20 minutes to hedge this out, but yeah, it's just looping through. So my strategy was you start with the first indice, and then you just keep adding as a subsequent indices to see if it adds up to the target. And if the first one doesn't do it, so then disregard it, then you move on to the next one, the second one, 7. So you add 7 to 11, 7 to 15. And if that doesn't work, 11 to 15, so on and so forth. So here's the class solution, and then the method twosums that takes in the indices and the target, or the indice of nums and the target. So I just did a while we'll first start at the starting indice. You can also name it that. I just named it I. If the starting indice is less than the length of the nums list, and then I used enumerate. So then you would have, it's like a key value of the index of whatever you're iterating over, and then actually the value of it. Then you enumerate it over where you're starting. So if we're like started at like just say 7 or like 11, that we did all the calculations showed, now we're starting and none of them worked, so we're going to start at 11. Then I would equal 2, and then you would iterate 2 to the end. And if the current value that's in nums at your I over your starting vertice plus the value of what you're iterating over equals target, you just, here, I don't need this. And you just return the index that you're at, wherever, if it's the starting one or wherever you're looping at, and then plus the index that you're secondly for looping, iterating over, plus I, because enumerate doesn't know where you are starting wise, because you could be in the middle of iterating over, and that's what you just break, and then that's all you gotta do, because that's assuming there is one answer, so we don't have to do any more logic. So that's about it. I think this is what. Pick one, discuss. I think run code. So we can call solution. Just call solution and then print. Or we could just do sol twosums. And what is it? Two, 7, 11, was it 15? Doesn't matter. And then 9. Oh. That doesn't make any sense. Because I did it here. Uh, not. This doesn't make any sense. 3, 2, 4, and 6. 0, 0. What the heck? Oh, because you're adding 3 onto itself to get 6. That's stupid. There, this should fix it. Oh, wait. Yeah, you don't want to iterate over itself. So 1 plus. The current one, this is the current one, plus num. That's so silly. Yeah, because I didn't think about when you can add it onto itself. So you gotta start with 1 over. Yeah. Yeah, this should work now. Whoop. There. I think that's how you do it now. Let's submit the solution. What just happened? Oh yeah, that's it nonetheless. I'm just looking at how this Leetcode works, so